Ready to turn your Facebook feed into a visual masterpiece. First, let's upload photos from a computer. Locate the photo, video button below the What's on Your Mind box at the top of your newsfeed. Click on it. This will open your computer's File Explorer. Navigate to the folder where your photos are stored. Select the photo or photos you want to upload. You can select multiple images by holding down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking on each photo. Once you've made your selections, click Open. Your selected photos will now appear in the Post Composer. You can drag and drop them to rearrange the order if you like. Now, add a caption. Tell your friends and family about the photos, where they were taken, who's in them, or just a general comment. This is the perfect way to give context to your images. Once you're happy with your caption, click the Post button and that's it. Your photos are now live on Facebook. Now, let's upload from your mobile device. Open the Facebook app. Tap the photo button, usually located near the top of your screen, under the What's on Your Mind prompt. This will open your phone's photo gallery. Select the photo or photos you wish to share. Just like on the computer, you can add a caption. Tap on the Say Something About These Photos field and type away. When you're ready, tap the Post button in the top right corner. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded photos to Facebook from your mobile device. Now go forth and share your life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Facebook tips.